entirely to the bit. All references to real events, people, fiction, those are entirely coincidental. If you find yourself agreeing with the radio, please seek... What? The radio? What? This game contains flashing lights and other visual effects that may make it unsuitable for people with photosensitive epilepsy or other photosensitive conditions. Polyarmory contains references to guns, conspiracy theories, drug use, drug misuse, animal divorce, BDSM clowns, cacti, defecation master, trepantation, spoilers for... who cares? I'm kidding. Oh, okay. Spoilers for Neon Genesis, Evangelion, smoking, drinking, and various other sexual themes. Trigger warning, they're usually on the bottom of the gun. Okie dokie. Sure. Took me like 4 tries for this to work. Hello everybody! My name is Austin24. And welcome to Polyarmory. I was, recommended this game. Full screen. VSync off. PS, I don't know. Normal. My computer's old. Pronouns US. He just comes. Oh, got it. Oh. Oh my god. Sounds more like Goofy than anything.
Yeah?
God damn it. Well. Windowed. There we go, that's a little better. Maybe that'll work better. Alright. Yes, hello, welcome to this game that was, recommended to me. I had no idea what to do for the 4th of July. I was very, scrambling around with ideas, and then somebody recommended this to me. It's like, oh, you'll love this. Okay, sure. Sure, if you say so. Extras. The cans are added again, and Rumi's had enough. Grip the shaft, press the button, use shoulder. Prepare to sweat in this fast-paced time trial. No, I'm good for now. I don't know what's gonna entail with this game, but yeah, we're doing it for the, not just any old 4th of July, but it's the 250th Happy Freedom Day, Happy 4th of July, Happy AMERRCA! Sure, why not? So yeah, that's why we're doing this, I guess, maybe, we'll see, sure. We'll play it for a wee bit. 425. Okay. We'll play it for a wee bit. If people want to see more, we can do more. I guess, but let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of this. I don't know how long the game is. If I don't know, select difficulty. High Caliber Love is a dating sim first-person shooter hybrid. It involves some shooting of your gorgeous guns. In order to tailor your game experience, because Americans, we love our goods. Yeah, America. Okay. In order to tailor your game experience, please let us know your experience with first-person shooters. You can customize the difficulty at any time in the settings menu. I'd like to say expert gunner, but you know what? It's been a while. Also, to be fair, I'm not... It depends on if it's on rails or not. Like, I've dabbled with games, right? I've dabbled with Legendary Mode Halo. I've dabbled with Call of Duty and Black Ops. Actually, I think... I've dabbled with some games, but it's been a long time. I still play Left 4 Dead every so often, but beyond that, yeah, I've dabbled. In the desert, you can remember your name for... I love that song. Is that when it released? I actually don't know the release date. 1971? Oh, cool. In the desert, you can remember your name, for there ain't no one for to give you no pain. By a horse with no name. America, 1971. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name. Okay. There's no way back from where you've come from. Ah, well, that's unfortunate. You better just stay here for now. Okay. Sure, if you say so. If he doesn't say so, stick to your guns. Stick to your guns. Roadrunner? Coyote? The sun beats down from above, your stomach retches, your mind fuzzy. Ugh, my head. Do I need to select that or okay? You need some relief. You need Caliber. Excalibur? You're goddamn right. I need Caliber. Oh. Hey, throat. Drag yourself towards the Caliber. What? What? The pills? You're so close, reach out and take some. I don't think that's a great idea, but okay. I don't think pills are exactly what you need when you're... Oh. Oh. Good. Now swallow it. Ugh. For America. Oh, I got an achievement. This is your brain on Caliber. Oh boy.
How long have you been out here?
Oh, I don't get to voice act. Okay. Ah.
We take you inside. We've got food and water, and the others won't mind.
Oh boy. Okay. What actually even is that? French? You ain't getting me to a secondary location. French? Are you French?
French? I'm speaking the Queen's English. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Well, I'm sorry, sir.
Good Lord. You really are dehydrated.
You're telling me.
Can you stand?
No. Stranger wraps his strong arms around you and lifts you to your feet. You feel the man's firm body against your back, his strangely chiseled jawline against your neck as he carries you to the bunker. Oh my. The bunker is somewhere in the Nevada desert, but you can't remember exactly where. Is it with a horse with no name? How do you pronounce it? Nevada or Nevada? Nevada. Nevada. Okay. I guess we just wait here. No. Maybe. We. Maybe. Right click, left click, space, enter. Oh. What do you want from me, game? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Okay. Oop, there. That's probably a little better. So there's no lines. It's full screen, but it's not full screen. It's semi-full screen. It's not full screen. Okay, cool, bro.
Cup of tea?
Sure, sure.
Oh my gosh, I've just realized my faux pas.
Your fake pass?
Allow me to introduce myself.
Okay.
T.G. Remington.
Oh.
The Dartmoor Remington.
Oh my. Okay then. Chiseled jawline. I don't see a jawline there. Sure.
Pleasure is all mine.
Wait a minute. This voice sounds familiar. Maybe not. Maybe it's just how suave it is. Just cause you got a gun for a head! Hang on, you're a gun. You're a gun.
And you have a head for a head. But
Oh.
you don't hear me complaining.
Okay. Sure.
Relax. I'm unloaded. And I mean you no harm.
Ah. You're unloaded. Okay. I think I've used a Remington before. Huh.
You can stay as long as you like.
Oh my, thank you, good sir.
The others won't mind. They're a friendly bunch.
Okay. Sure, sure.
Mostly.
Oh, well then. That's unfortunate. Others? There's other
They
gun
must
people.
all be in the back. Let me call them in.
Okay.
Guys, we've got a new visitor.
Oh my god!
Whoa.
Found a person?
Person? I don't know what is she? Is a pink one.
Person who did not like it.
Ah. Rocket launcher. Ah.
And looks very unwell.
Ah. Very
Calm
chiseled.
down, everyone. I
Jeez.
found him in the desert, popping caliber.
Popping caliber, right, yeah.
So he's cool. Why didn't you say so?
Okay, revolver. That's a golden revolver.
Forever
That's-
since we had a cool person here.
Thank you.
I
You're
thought
also
it
an
best
M16,
to
but
bring him
black
in.
instead of pink?
The sun is absolutely unforgiving.
Sure, sure it is. Sure.
Regardless, let's not overwhelm them.
That would be best. That'd be
Let's
That'd
get
be
you some
best.
tea and pop you into bed.
pop me into bed, please.
Caliber can make
sorry.
you quite thirsty.
Oh, yes, thirsty indeed. You have no idea. He helps you down onto a mattress on the floor and drapes a ragged sleeping bag over you. Ah, oh my. Oh my. You drift into a deep and dreamless sleep. Day one. Yes. Gun day. Is that supposed to be Sunday?
They're awake!
What are the other days then? They're awake?
I thought you died.
Oh, thanks, I guess.
Ladies, please, give them a moment.
Remington hurries the pair out of the room.
How's
Bump,
your head?
bump. Bump, bump. A bump, bump. Ah, my wife never what? Sure. Terrible? Oh! Okay. It took me a second to... okay, I want to see what comes from this.
Quite the braggart.
Yes, even though
You
I'm not
need to keep
married.
that buzzer, or you'll crash out again.
Oh no, that's not good.
Here,
No.
take these.
We don't want that now, do we? I hand you a bottle of water and 2 small bullet-shaped caliber capsules. To
Hey, look who's up.
keep
Good
me
sister with us, man.
induced in the fever. Hey, bruh. Yeah.
I'm so glad you're okay. That was like so scary.
Indeed.
You don't look much better. But I'm glad you're alive, I guess.
Okay, thanks.
I hear drinking pickle juice is good for hangover.
Ugh. No thanks. I don't like pickles. Pickles are gross.
I should probably introduce this lot.
I would rather just stick with the Hangover, honestly. Pickles are just that gross. Ew. Alright, sure, Remington.
Our resident hedonist.
Viper. Sick name, bro.
Life is for the living, yeah?
Yeah.
They're not the kind of gun you take home to mother.
Ah. Good to know.
You know I treat
Ew. Yeah, no,
And
no.
that's Svetlana. She's cool,
Svetlana.
but don't make her mad. She's got an
Svetlana.
explosive temper.
Ah, yeah, I was gonna say, sounds kind of rocket launcher. Trip on my tongue. Rocket launcher!
And of course,
Look at those
there are the
abs.
twins.
Wow.
Couldn't be more different, though.
Ah, that explains why both have
Actually, now that I think about it,
M16s.
we're not even sure Marsh and Mello are even related.
Marshmallow. Marshing your mellow and
So nice to meet
ah,
you.
your marsh. So
Whatever.
you're mellow. Okay, sure.
As you can tell, they're a chatter. I'll leave you to
Sure. Whoa. Oh. Okay.
Feds fear him, men wanna be him. Ladies love him too.
I'm sorry. What song is
Save the world from total destruction. That's just what he's gonna do. I'm from Michigan, and you're listening to Rapid Fire.
Okay.
Thanks for joining me today, folks. Let me start this show off by asking you a very simple question. Do you love your guns? I mean,
Sure.
really love your guns?
Sure.
Freedom? As an American,
Of course.
the answer to both of those questions should be
Oh.
yes.
Yes.
Mostly in America,
Hell
your
yes!
firearm and your weapons that you choose to keep in your household, under your bed, under your child's crib, or hidden
Oh yes,
inside
definitely
your
under the
closet,
crib.
represented your freedom,
Definitely.
your independence,
Yes.
and your
Freedom!
self-defense and self-reliance.
Oh yeah.
For
Freedom!
the last couple of decades, the government's been increasing the amount of regulation on firearms in a dramatic way.
Oh, what a crime.
They've been introducing new laws trying to stop you from buying
Ugh.
certain guns, trying to stop you from
Ugh.
selling other guns,
Oh!
from shooting guns you
How dare they.
already own.
Ah!
If you were to ask
How
me,
could they?
and I have, folks, believe me, every time they'll tell you, oh, it's public safety. We're trying to keep people from getting shot.
Secure your goods, keep them out of the wrong hands.
And why aren't the
Artificially
crime rates
constructed
going down as they take more and more of your guns? The
Okay.
answer's simple, people. These
Yes.
gun control regulations
Oh.
are not about crime reduction.
Oh,
They're not
no.
about stopping people from getting shot. They're about infringing on
They're
your
about-
personal freedoms, your
No.
liberty, and
No.
preventing you
They can't.
from being a self-reliant individual.
Oh!
Why would they do something like this, people?
I don't know. Why would they?
What kind
Tell
of
me, sir.
government benefits from their citizens having to depend on them all the time?
Huh?
Well, if you look at the history in the history books, which
Uh-huh.
I have,
Oh,
historically,
good. That's good.
governments restrict weapons and firearms when they're preparing for something. When
What?
they're preparing
No.
for a major shift in the way
No way.
society functions.
They can't.
Disarming your
How dare
population makes it much easier for these authority figures to come in and impose
Sure,
new
sure.
rules, new laws, and control your freedoms without any sort of
No,
pushback.
not
by
my
their
freedom.
constituents.
What are you doing with that?
I think it's some sort of coincidence that every country that's
If I need to sit
outlawed
here and listen to
firearm
this the whole
ownership
time.
has the lowest amount of freedom.
Freedom.
I don't.
I heard freedom. What?
Recent legislation that's been introduced by the liberal Democrats into the House and into the Senate are aiming at tracking your firearm ownership, ammunition purchases,
No.
and any sort
They
of
can't.
modifications you want to make.
How dare they?
Firearms. Now that may seem like pretty reasonable up front.
Mm,
Registration leads to confiscation.
No.
Confiscation
No.
leads to outlawing your
No! Not confiscating my guns! No!
criminal so they can arrest you and throw you into a jail.
Okay, do I need to sit through?
These are broad, coordinated efforts.
Is there an
people.
achievement out of
Who
it?
do you think
I don't
feels
want to
the
interrupt it,
safest
but
in a gun-free zone? Not you.
oh,
If firearms become illegal, who do you think still has them? Just the military, which is perfect
no.
for a corpo military
Oh, no.
takeover.
okay.
Now, we met with a couple of our elected representatives here
I
in our
gotta start talking. She's not talking now. Okay. So wait, am I voicing some characters? You're looking a lot better now. That's not saying much, though.
Melly-chan, be nice. They've been wandering the desert for days.
They could use a shower.
You're right, but you don't have to be so mean about it. Well, I'm glad you're here anyways.
So you both aren't actually related?
No, idiot. Remy already said that.
Oh. So, twins, huh?
That's what everyone calls us. You're not very good at small talk, are you? All you do is ask questions. Are you always this awkward? Is your posture always this bad? Do you always smell like cheap body spray? Is your father proud of you?
No, yes, and probably no.
Well, at least you can keep up with us. Not everyone can. We'll have more questions later.
And they can break into your house and take your guns without
Okay.
any kind of accountability. Next thing you know, you're gonna hear about them raiding people's bunkers.
No, not my bunker! Anything but that!
To make them fully
Oh, Remington's new friend. It's cool to have someone else here to liven the bunker up a bit. If you ever need something with a bit more kick, Viper's got the goods. Hey, we're gonna party.
So what's the underneath your coat hot... Okay, I misread that. So what's underneath your coat hot stuff?
What do you mean?
What am I working with down there?
Drugs, mostly caliber.
I mean, what are you packing?
2 bags of bullets, 7 gallons of crude oil, firecrackers, cheese crackers, curd meats, whiskey, weed, vodka, margarita mix, soju? Is that an S? I think it's an S. Soju, poppers, popcorn, hyper pop, and condoms. Trust me, we're gonna need all of that.
No, I mean, what's in your pants?
My under... I was gonna say some... legs.
So, caliber, huh?
Man, it's the only the best high... Man, it's only the best high this side of the... Mojave. No idea what's in it, but this bunker is full of the stuff. Enough to last you years, I'd reckon. I'm sure once you've talked to all of us, Remy's gonna want to talk to you. I can tell he already likes you. I'll see you around, babes.
What? Okay. Oh. 1 foot in the grave, oh no. That's unfortunate. What's up with this? Use? Patriot. Shower! Use shower. Shower seems like it hasn't been used in a while. Take a shower. Okay, might as well shower. Yeah, shower sounds amazing right now. Remove your clothes and step into the shower. Oh boy. Turn on the shower sounds like too much ever. Hot water? Cold water's not never fun. Turn the hot knob. The pipe creaks ominously. I don't want to boil my skin off, but nothing happens. Oh, well. That's unfortunate. You turn the knob further. A small trickle of brownish water emerges from the shower head. Keep turning the knob. Turn the cold water on. You turn the cold knob. You hear something stirring deep within the bunker. A moment later, the shower head erupts with cold, brownish water. Ew. Well, at least this knob works. Ew. Sure. Of course it does. Why wouldn't it? I don't know. The other knob didn't work. Fourth wall, okay. Sometimes they didn't work, and expecting otherwise is foolish optimism. Oh. Good point. Well, at least the cold water works. Cold water is better than no water. Let's go. Step into the shower and rinse yourself off as best as you can. There's no soap, and the water is a bit gritty, but it's still refreshing. Ugh. Continue showering. Sure, why not? Wait until the shower is for a little longer, letting the water run over your face. Okay. Feel a bit better now. Sure, why not? Draw the water, step out of the shower, and get dressed again. Yay. Join the cult. Haha. The cult. Ha 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 ha. I get it. Ha 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 ha.
Отлично.
It's good to see you on your feet.
Huh.
Now please wipe them.
Sorry?
It's okay.
Oh.
You will clean up.
So what do you do around here?
I am, as you may say, the group's mummy.
Mm-hmm.
I keep bunker and other guns in good order. That includes cleaning dirty footprints. Understood.
Sure, understood. Sure.
I'm sure Remington has plans for you later, Zaishik.
Oh, days.
Отлично.
For now, you rest, da.
Sure.
Destruction. That's just what he's gonna do.
Oh, hi. That's a rocket.
And you're listening to Rapid Fire.
Okay.
All right, folks, I want to start off today's show a little.
Uh-huh.
You seem to already be doing much better. Caliber can really bowl over your wicket, if you catch my meaning.
Do what to my what? Am I supposed to be this stiff?
Oh, okay. Is that kind of you?
Bowl over your wicket, like in cricket, no.
Aha.
How about take the wind out of your sails, pull the rug from your loafers? Knock you out, make you tired. Heavens forgive me for adding some flavor to language.
Security screws, star screws, proprietary
Okay.
design, and what's it all for?
This big
Why do we
gun.
need so many screws?
I don't know.
If you're feeling better, I'd love nothing more than to have a good chin wag. One-on-one.
Okay, sure.
Join me for some target practice.
Oh boy.
It'll be just like grouse shooting in the countryside.
Oh boy. Grouse shooting.
Well,
Oh, well, what?
oh my. I'm not your first, am I?
First what? What? No, I've had lots of guns. No, what? Oh!
I didn't mean to upset you. I just need you to load me.
Load you? Like a video game? I'm kidding. Oh, that's a gun.
Do be gentle. It's been a while.
Oh my. Oh.
That's the way. Keep going. Don't stop.
Oh, okay. If you say so. Wait. Boop!
Yes. More. Feel more.
Oh my god. Okay.
Don't be scared. I can take it. Oh God, can I take it?
Okay. Sure.
One more ought to top me off.
Okay.
Get in there.
Okay.
Now, cock it.
Okay. I mean, yeah.
Again.
I don't think that's good for the gun, but sure. It's been a while since I've actually shot in general too, outside of video games. Okay.
But I should, in theory, be good to go now.
Okay. You say so.
Let's head outside, and you can give me a jolly good going over.
A jolly good going over. Jolly good show! Oh. Both hands to play for your own safety. Okay. I don't know what you're implying otherwise. Why wouldn't I use both hands? Ugh.
Alright, dear. Let's see how that ends.
Okay.
We can start slow.
Slow.
You see those cans over there?
Yes, cans. Alright.
Hey, look who it is. It's Lord Rimjob.
Lord Frim. Okay. See Shy's can?
Oh, so it is. Look at him over there looking all smug.
I see it was your turn to share the collective brain cell for that insult.
Collective what? What's he going on about?
What's he going on about?
He's calling us dumb.
No sauce can. I ain't no thumb.
This is just tease. Shoot the little brats, and let's be done with it.
Oh, okay.
I'm so scared, Grandpa Oxide.
That's the guy who hasn't seen a good spritz in years. I bet he's all blanks now. Can't even fire.
He ain't even carbonated. What a waste, man.
Okay.
He belongs in a trash can. Am I right?
I get it, because you're all cans.
That's bloody it.
Oh no.
Kill the cantankerous little sods.
Okay. Sure, sure. Whoa. Boom! It's a little in the corner. Huh. Whoops. There we go. And, ha! Whoops. R. Okay. I thought it was right click, so I right clicked. Oh, that's aim. Who said that? Oh, you're going down, little bastard.
Too right. Like riding a bike.
Yes.
You can't take us all. We're everywhere.
Oh, no.
Alas, those effervescent monstrosities are the sneaky sorts, hiding in plain sight.
Hmm.
Let's find those ne'er-do-wells and eliminate them all.
Sure. Sure, sure. Ne'er-do-wells? Bird! Can I hit bird? Whoops, I didn't mean to click that. How dare you? Who laughed at me? Who done it? I'll kill you all. Look, take out the trash. Okay. Ah! Boom! Wait, what the? Oh, wait. R! Where are they? I'll get them all! I'll get them all. How dare you? How dare you insult my new friend Remington? You will all die and suffer and die again. I don't know. Not thinking of really anything. Do those cans count?
I'll shoot them, I will. Don't make me. I don't care how big those cans are. I will destroy them as well. What? 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 Wee. Okay. Oh, what the? Is that where I'm supposed to go? Oh, okay, yeah. This is
Off, you double-barreled prick.
This is the shooting range. I thought the entire. Okay, that's my bad. I'm an idiot.
Double-barrel prick was my father.
Oh no. Oh. Can I shoot more?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh,
Shoot
absolutely.
them. Shoot them all.
Oh, joyous day, Kaloo-Kalay. Indeed. Prepare yourselves, camels. Woe is me for the firing of your lives. How dare you? You have insulted my father, and you will die for it! Wait, how's that go? I'm trying to remember. My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father! Prepare to die! Hello, my name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father! Prepare to die! Okay. Hello, my name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die! Okay. Two more, you say? Two more, huh? Two more, huh? Okay. Hello, my name is Inigo Montoya! You killed my father, prepare to die! Hello. I don't know, I just love that line. It's one of my favorite movies. So I figured I'd quote it. I don't know. Sure, why not? Hello. Where are you? I'm stuck! Hey, yourself, sir. Oh, there you are. Hello. My name is Inigo Montoya! You killed my father! Prepare to die! Right as he jumped, too. Damn.
That's it. Destroy those tubular plebs.
Okay. Come on, plebs, bring it!
You little buggers.
Yes.
Dastardly little bastards.
Yes, dastardly little bastards.
Absolute cants.
Ha ha ha! Because they're cans. They can't. Now you're just making up words. You can hear a commotion outside the depot. Oh no. What commotion? What could it be? What could it possibly be? Oh no. No, anything but that. Reload. Look near the dude, take up the trash.
These think we can't handle a few shots? I'm a fucking chaser.
Okay. Whatever that means, sure. Oh, a few shots. Okay. I figured that's what it meant by chaser, but sure. Ooh, the hearts. Oh my. You fool. How dare you step into my turf! You will regret this day. Kaloo-Kalay! Fool of a took. What do you take me for? Yes, you dastardly cans, you take it! This and that and this and that. Indeed. Take this and that. Where are you? I know there's one more of you. You can run, but you can't hide, you fools. Where are you? Where? What? Dog?
Over here, short for brains.
How dare you? How dare you! Face my wrath! The last of them are rattling inside the depot. Oh.
has only begun! It kind of looks like a
Look
Doberman.
at him. All rusty. An expired product.
How dare you?
Hey,
You're
with
expired.
being rusty.
No, not like that. I mean that.
At least I've been opened.
The cans begin to bicker amongst themselves. It is incessant. Oh.
Ah, now we're getting to them.
Ah, yes. These fools won't know what hit them. You! Take this!
That was discontinued.
Maybe get a better flavor! Time to drill? Daily routine inspections, logging lessons. Okay. Hey, it rhymes too. Well, maybe I'll find you. Indeed I will! Ha ha ha! You have sung your last song. Point blank, you fool.
I swear a bit.
I was curious about that. He got hearts when I got in closer, so that does more, I guess. Okay, does more for my
Come on,
bonding.
me, you little bitch.
Nobody tells me a little bitch. I'll kill you! Ah! Okay. One more. Oh, you thought you could escape? You thought you could escape? There is no escape! Fool.
Good show all round, I say.
Indeed.
You've sated my lust for rapturous violence. For now.
For now. Okay, then.
You haven't seen the last of us.
Sure. Keep telling yourselves that.
We're recyclable.
Sure. Sure. Recyclable. Yeah, sure. Okay. Doesn't fix the fluids you lost with all the holes in you. You hear the crackle of a shortwave radio nearby.
How interesting. It might be worth seeing who's trying to contact you.
Aliens. Could be the
Doubtful.
the cloud people. I happen to hunt.
If it is, give them a piece of your mind.
Yes, indeed I will. They will regret it. The kitchen radio. Where's the kitchen? I hear you, but I don't know where you're at. There we go. Oh no. You'd slot your change in this vending machine of love, but you seem to have misplaced your wallet. Sure. Press the L ray and pick up the microphone. Hello, fuck you, Cloud. Fuck you, Cloud people! Damn Cloud people. Damn them. Okay.
What brings you out to the Mojave?
World's ending. Need a place to hide.
Isn't it just?
Yeah. Always ending. It's always ending.
Escape from it all.
Yeah.
Nobody ever comes around these parts. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Don't cover me surprised when I saw you stumbling around over
Yeah.
there. Well, don't let me keep you.
Okay.
I'm off hunting jackrabbits, so I'll see you around.
Okay. Yeah. Goodbye. Alright. Toons Miami!
Over and out. I'm a coming, jackrabbit.
Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I should build friendly
Like
bonds.
you. Not a cloud person, eh?
For now. But we haven't... been ages since I had a friend. I'm not convinced yet. I haven't. Just
What am
been
I?
sure.
Yesterday's fish and chips.
Oh. I don't know.
Well,
guess we're
Let's
friends.
head
I
back
don't know.
inside.
Okay, sure.
I'm sure the others will want to know we're okay.
Sure they will. Oh. Okay then. Oh. Oh, I'm not there. Oh, I thought it was automatically taking me over there. Okay, sure. Can I sprint? Shift. Space.
Way over there.
Nope, that's jump. That is a big jump. Damn. I can jump for
Days.
Hoo! Hoo! Wee! Huh? Yes! Enter the bugger! Huh. Alrighty then. Whoa! Svetlana likes bears, beats, Battlestar Galactica, and Beyonce. Canned what? Return to the bunker, Remington in hand. The sound of angry cans rattles in your ears. A feeling of accomplishment rushes over you. A euphoria unlike anything you've ever felt before. Oh my. Oh, so delicious. Several hours pass as you bathe in the afterglow of can carnage. Before you know it, the sun begins to set over the bunker. You need? You head to the filthy mattress on the floor and settle in for the night. It's itchy and uncomfortable, but you don't mind all that much. During the night, you awake to noises coming from outside the bunker. Something big and angry is banging on the bunker's door. Ooh. Oh. Ah. That's not good. You start to climb out of bed, reaching for Remington's cold, hard shaft.
It's okay. Don't worry. The door can hold them. We're safe here.
Oh. Thank you, Remington. Like pronouns? Wait. Have the aliens finally come for us?
No, they're not scheduled for another few decades.
Oh. It's good you know that, I guess.
Shh. Go back to sleep. I'll keep watch.
Oh, thank you, Remington. Thank you. You really are a good friend. Day 2.
Okay.
Pew Pew Stay. That one kind of sounds more like Tuesday, but sure. You wake up puzzled by the events the night before. The others are gathered in the lounge speaking with hushed whispers.
Good morning.
Oh, yes. What was all that noise?
It's just the thieves, rogues, and vandals that tried to come take us in the night.
Okay. I mean, take you in the night. They're trying to take my guns? How dare they?
It's far, far away.
No, that'll never happen. I won't let
It
them.
is frequent thing. Must have found us again.
Yeah, been happening more and more lately. Stopped for a while, but looks like they're back.
I bet he led them to us.
Who's he? I'll kill him! Cloud people must see me. So carefully. Even worm I let over us. Tracking devices in the vaccines must have globe heads. They're tracking. Cloud people, sure. The cloud people.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Damn those cloud people. How dare
Whatever
they?
the case, this might be your chance to put a stop to them for good.
Yes. That'll be good.
Will you be our champion?
Hell yes! Down with the corrupt deep sea. They'll pay for their Wi-Fi crack. What? I hate these memes, but this one, sure. All right. Well, I think that's I don't know how the save system works. Last saved a minute, 0 minutes ago. Okay, I think somewhere in the Nevada desert, but you can't remember exactly where. Okay. So yeah, that's probably good enough. I don't know how far we've gotten or what's we've got more to do and whatnot, but sure, we'll end it here. This seems like a good point to stop. We explored. We did it. Okay. The voice told me it's fine. Okay then. Alright. Well then, this was interesting to say the least. What the hell's up with the birds there? But yeah, that's clearly a fun little parody game. Just making some humor and stuff. Do you hear the voices telling you you're fine? Suppose you're fine. I am just a voice, and I'm telling you you are fine. Sure. Why not? All right. But yeah, we're gonna end it here. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Again, let me know if you want to see more in the comments below. Otherwise, for now, that'll probably be it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have a lovely day and evening and had a lovely 4th of July weekend and month filled with guns and freedom! And hey, if you're not from America, hey, you can still have a fun, lovely day. Why not? Why not? Have a lovely day. Have another lovely day. Okay, then. Sure. Alright, so yeah, I hope everybody has a lovely day and evening, and until next time, whatever it is I may do, I hope to see you then. Farewell.